it's me, Liam from Liam Out Loud, and today we are doing a treehouse update. This is the most recent progress on the treehouse. It's going to be super awesome.
Liam Out Loud, Liam Out Loud, life is super awesome on Liam Out Loud.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and click that notification bell. My dad likes to build crazy stuff. He's teaching me how to. We're trying to make this look like something from Dollywood. We've built about 90% of this treehouse using reclaimed pallets and barnwood. It's looking fantastic. It's starting to rain a little bit, so I hear and see Chief Cheep. He's my pet rooster. Hey, Chief Cheep. So, let's get started on talking about this epic treehouse. Quick notice that we're also building an outhouse, just in case you need to do your things out here. This will be a composting toilet. We've also got things to wipe your hiney with. And now we're going back to the treehouse. So we've got like a nice seating area next to this young pine tree and the hammock. We've got this fire pit here, made out of sandstone rocks. Currently getting a fire going. So there's the treehouse with all the lights, the hammock, and the outhouse. There's our fire pit. And now, let's head inside. Here we go. We've got some nice decor on the side. This lantern and an old saw. Oh, wait. The shutters. There's a tree right there. And also, here's something that is new. We've finished up the sides of the treehouse. Let's go to the other side. Boom. Finished. And let's enter. We've improved the door. Alrighty. Here we are. So we've got Chief Cheep. And as soon as you walk in, if you look to your side, you can see the Nano Coaster shelf with the roller coaster calendar. It's August and it looks like the coaster is the Voyage and the sun is setting. Looking good. We've got a shelf with all the things we might need later. That's for the future. And there's some of the tools that Dad's using. Because we're still working on this. We're almost done. Got a nice oscillating fan in there. Stop it, buddy. Bad puppy-like chicken. It's a bad dog. So, here's our monitor for the computer. Our cannonball incoming. And we've currently got Steam up and running. I've added some lights to the top of it. And look. Inside you can see the wires and the PSU. Oh, I'm getting a nice breeze. You again? We've got our wireless keyboard and mouse on this movable lap menu on these really nice chairs that you can flip the cushions over on. Same for this love seat. I mean, the love seat doesn't flip the cushions, but this one does also. got a lamp, an old phone, which is looking pretty good in here. Nice and aesthetic. You've also got some oil lamps with citronella oil in them, as you can see by the fluid right there, to keep the mosquitoes away. Yeah, they're pesky around here in Kentucky, especially central Kentucky. They impact them hard. And we're going from this downstairs area up this very rigid ladder. So rigid that he wanted it to be even more rigid. So, bolts. Up, up, up. And we've got our nice carpeted loft. Hey, there's our of course not a screen. So, the ladder is pretty tall. And got the metal roofing on and sealed up. Haven't added the insulation like we have over there. So we're almost done with this. Got a lamp that sort of resembles the one in the Pixar thing. It's starting at us. Just your average Lamb Out Loud joke, right? So there's some windows, cheap. And we've capped off the wiring because I'm touching it and it's not shocking me. I know about my grounds. Here's a unique thing about it. It's suspended. You might think that there's poles on it, but no. No poles holding it up. It's some very strong chains. Very strong. So now we are going down the ladder. Nice view out there. And boom. A door. You might be like, does this lead to a super duper crazy surprise? A back porch! You've got some cage lights. Another version of the oil lamp along with the smaller one for extra bug protection when we're out here. Got 2 rocking chairs. And we've got crossbuck railing to keep people from falling out, because I'm not falling out of this thing unless I did something sneaky, which I wouldn't, considering I'm Liam Out Loud. Yeah. And there's the racetrack down there. We've got a burn pile on it. We don't mow as much as people normally do it. We do it every month or so, but the average person does it around every week. So yeah, we don't have quite as out of control grass around here.
The reason why we are trying to complete this so early is because I'm homeschooling this year. I'm not permanently homeschooling. I'm trying to bypass a few grades this year. All thanks to the Rona. Thanks a lot, virus.
Hey, we like to keep things tidy around here. A broom! And now, we're back in here. Woohoo! So, this is the treehouse. Wow. There's the BHC. the big honking machine. There's our weather radio. I listened to a few weather reports on there. And there's my Fred Grubb autographed seat bag. He's the owner of RMC, Rocky Mountain Construction. That's my favorite coaster company. They built my two favorite coasters, Lightning Rod and Storm Chaser. Also, there's a coaster called Storm Chaser coming to Pullman's Park, not made by them, so whenever that opens, don't get too confused.
To the left, underneath the loft ladder, there's where the kitchenette will be.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my video of me giving an update of the most recent work on the treehouse. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember, my next video is going to be super awesome. Please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell. It's absolutely free and only takes a second. Come back and visit. My next video is going to be super awesome.